Good morning, everyone. Today we see the dissection of the soul. So before seeing the body, we just we just take the brief idea from the book. See, this is a picture of the soul. When we reflect the skin of the soul, we can see the plantar aponeurosis. You can see here, this is the plantar aponeurosis. What is plantar aponeurosis? That is the deep fascia covering the soul is thick in the central part and thin in the side. The thick central part is called the plantar aponeurosis. And when we reflect the plantar aponeurosis, we can see the muscles of the first layer of the soul. See, this is the figure that showing the muscles see in the first layer of the soul. They are, you can see here on the medial side, abductor hallucis is there. On the lateral side, there is flex abductor digiti minimi. And when we reflect the plantar aponeurosis, see, this is the cut part of the plantar aponeurosis. So, when we reflect the plantar aponeurosis, we can see this muscle, that is the flexor digitorum brevis. So, in the first layer of the soul, we can see three muscles again, that is abductor hallucis on the medial side, on the lateral side abductor digiti minimi, and in the middle there is flexor digitorum brevis. Now we will see this structure in the dissection. See student, this is the right side of leg and this is the right side of soul. See, I have reflected the skin and superficial fascia. So, I can see, this is the sinus structure, that is plantar aponeurosis. Okay, so this one is the plantar aponeurosis. Now, I am cutting the plantar aponeurosis. So, we can see the muscles of the first layer of the soul. See, I have cut the plantar aponeurosis from the proximal side. So, we can see the muscles of the first layer of the soul. They are on the medial side. This is the abductor hallucis. You can see here, this is the abductor hallucis for great toe, right? On the lateral side, this one is abductor digiti minimi. See, this is the abductor digiti minimi for little toes. And this one is flexor digitorum brevis. This flexor digitorum brevis gives slip to lateral four toes. See, we can see here the four slip. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, in the first layer, three muscles again. This is the abductor hallucis. This is the flexor digitorum brevis. And this one is abductor digiti minimi. Abductor hallucis, flexor digitorum brevis and abductor digiti minimi. Now I am cutting the flexor digitorum brevis, abductor hallucis and abductor digiti minimi. So we can see the muscles that lies in the second layer as well as the branches of the tibial nerve, that is medial and lateral plantar nerve. Now, which muscles we can see in the second layer? See, first we see in this figure. This is the figure showing the muscles that lies in the second layer of soul. See, you can see here on the medial side. This is the flexor hallucis longus for the great toe, right? This one is the flexor digitorum longus for the lateral four toes. From the flexor digitorum longus, there is origin of the four lumbricals, and fourth muscle is flexor digitorum accessorius. So, in the second layer, we can see the four muscles. They are flexor hallucis longus, flexor digitorum longus, lumbricals, four lumbricals, and flexor digitorum accessorius. Now, see in this figure. This figure showing the division of the tibial nerve that divide into sole deep to the abductor hallucis into medial and lateral plantar nerve. So when we reflect the abductor hallucis, that is the muscle of first layer, we can see the division of the tibial nerve that divide into medial plantar nerve and lateral plantar nerve. Now we will see all this into dissection. See, we have cut the plantar aponeurosis and we have already seen the muscles of the first layer. Again I revise, that is, this is the abductor hallucis, this is the abductor digiti minimi and this one is flexor digitorum brevis. Now I have cut the flexor digitorum brevis like this. So we can see the muscles of the second layer. They are, you can see here, this is the flexor digitorum longus. See, this is the flexor digitorum longus. Okay. This one is the flexor digitorum accessorius. You can see here small muscles that arise from the flexor digitorum longus. They are lumbricals. You can see here, these are the small muscles that arise from the flexor digitorum longus. They are lumbricals. These are lumbricals. There are 4 lumbricals are there in foot, same like in upper limb. And this one is the flexor hallucis longus. So 2 long tendon we can see in the second layer of sole. They are, this one is the flexor hallucis longus and this one is the flexor digitorum longus. And 2 small muscles that we can see is flexor digitorum accessorius and these lumbricals that arise from the flexor digitorum longus. See, I have cut the abductor hallucis, okay, and also I have cut the flexor retinaculum. So I can see here, see, this is the flexor digitorum longus that runs from the back of leg into the sole. You can see here, this is the flexor digitorum longus, right? See, this is the flexor hallucis longus. You can see here there is a crossing of the flexor digitorum longus from medial to lateral side to the flexor hallucis longus. You can see here nicely the crossing of the flexor digitorum longus from medial to lateral side, and deep to it there is a flexor hallucis longus. So this tendon is flexor hallucis longus and this one is the flexor digitorum longus. Now see here, see, this is the tibial nerve, right? Okay. So we can see here there is a division of the tibial nerve into medial and lateral plantar nerve. See, you can see here, this is the medial plantar nerve and this one is the lateral plantar nerve. So tibial nerve is divided into 2 branches, that is medial plantar nerve and this one is the lateral plantar nerve. And see, along with the tibial nerve, the posterior tibial artery also run into the sole and is divided into medial and lateral plantar artery that run along with the medial and lateral plantar nerve, that is cut here. So it going into the sole along with the division of tibial nerve, that is medial plantar nerve and this one is the lateral plantar nerve. So students, today we have seen that when we reflect the skin of the sole of foot, we can see the plantar aponeurosis. When we reflect the plantar aponeurosis, we can see the muscles of the first layer. I again revise, this is the abductor hallucis, this one is the abductor digiti minimi and this is flexor digitorum brevis. Now when I cut the flexor digitorum brevis, I can see the structures that lies deep to it. Muscles are, that is flexor hallucis longus, this one is the flexor digitorum longus. You can see here the crossing of the flexor digitorum longus with the hallucis longus. The small 2 muscles, that is the flexor digitorum accessorius and these small muscles are lumbricals. Okay, and we have seen the division of the tibial nerve into medial plantar nerve that gives branches to medial 3.5 toes and this lateral plantar nerve that gives branches to medial 1.5 lateral 1.5 toes. And we have seen the division of the posterior tibial artery into medial and lateral plantar artery that runs along with the medial and lateral plantar nerve. That's all about the today's dissection.